Today we are going to design a flyer in Photoshop. If it's your first time, please subscribe and turn on notification to get another tutorial. So let's go to the video. I need to create new file. I go File, to New or Ctrl N. I go Print and choose A4. I put the title of document. And everything I don't change, and I click on Create. I need to save the document. I go File, Save As, and choose the place I want to save, and click Save. After save, I go View and go to Guide and choose New Guide Layout. If you don't tick on margin, please tick it and put 50 pixels on top, left, bottom and right, and click OK. After that, I use rectangle tool. This one. Stroke, I choose no stroke, and fill, I choose yellow. I want to make it curve. I can click here and put the number, or you can drag here. Okay, I put 100 pixels. I Ctrl T, right click and choose Perspective, and drag the center one. Like that. I Ctrl J the rectangle and drag another side. I minus opacity. I put 80. I Ctrl J again. For the middle rectangle, I don't need fill, but I need stroke. I go to rectangle tool again. Fill, I change to no fill. Stroke, I choose white and I put 10 pixels. I want to put shape around here one more. I choose rectangle tool. I don't need stroke and fill. I choose this color and I draw it. I Ctrl T and choose Perspective and drag the middle one. I need shape around here as well. I choose rectangle again. I don't need stroke. Fill, I choose black. I choose rectangle again. Fill, I choose yellow. I Ctrl T, right click and choose perspective again. Now I need to add company logo. I go File, Place Merit, and select logo. I need to add text around here. I use text tool, and you can tap or you can Ctrl V to paste. I want to insert a picture to this shape. I stand on it and I go File, Place Merit, and select the picture. Take a look to Layer panel, right click and create clipping mask. I put text on this shape. I use text tool, and you can tap or Ctrl V to paste. I need to add text around here and around here as well. I use text tool again. You can tap or Ctrl V to paste. I add the icon. I make it to one group, select layer and Ctrl G. I want to change the color to yellow. I stand on it and I go F8 color overlay. And I choose this one and OK. I need to add text. I use text tool. And for another side, I choose text tool again. I insert icon as well. I Ctrl J the icon 2 times. I make to one group. Select layer and Ctrl G. I change color to yellow. I go F8, color overlay, and OK. I add text. Okay, I put like that. Now I need to add contact on here. I use text tool. I add icon. I Ctrl G to make group. I change color to black. I add text and phone number. I add location on here. I insert location icon. I add text as well. And finally, our flyer is finished. Then thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. See you next video.